So, you want a quote for fire alarm drawings from HelpGate. That's fast and easy. All we need is the information that you already have. You have a scope of work. This is the narrative that explains what you and your customer agreed on. Is this a brand new system or a full replacement? Is it an add-on or an upgrade? What exactly are you doing? Say it all. No restraints. We are here to listen. You have a parts list or bill of materials. This has all the part numbers and quantities of detection and notification devices. And don't forget to mention the wires. You have markups. This is our favorite part. A drawing that shows where all the devices in your system go on the floor plan. It's got to be easy to read though. Pinpoint exactly where they go, using clear symbols in red or a different color. A legend? Exactly. That's a must, so we know what's what. Did we mention we love markups in PDF format? Last but not least, you have a building floor plans in AutoCAD, DWG file format. Oops, wait a minute. You may not have them. Some people have them, so don't. If you don't have them, just tell us. Our architectural geeks will draw them from an old set of plans and voila! Let's sum up. HelpGate needs what you already have. A scope of work, a parts list, markups, and the floor plans in DWG format. See how easy this is? So what do you do now? If your project is small, under 100 devices, go to our website, helpgate-inc.com, and look for the budget estimator. After you sign up, it will ask you a few easy questions. If your project has more than 100 devices, go to helpgate-inc.com and click on the Request a Quote button. Fill it out, and we'll take it from there. See how fast this is? That's HelpGate. Fast and easy. HelpGate, your new CAD engineering department. Call us. Click for a quote. By the way, if you don't have or are unsure about any of the items mentioned in this video, no worries. See our other detailed explainer videos on these and many other themes.